Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginner. Today we are going to learn how to get Pioneer account number. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly you need to go to your web browser and just type Pioneer, and the web search result will show the official website of Pioneer. You just have to click on the Pioneer or the official web search result that has shown, and you have to log in, and this is the website that it takes you to. Otherwise you can also do that in your mobile phone as well. So in order to get your Pioneer account number, you just have to go to the Get Paid option, and there is the receiving accounts. So we have created 2 receiving accounts till now. So on the account below there is a view details in the both account. So you can just click on the view details and it will show all the details like the account number. So you can also click on this USA section, click on the view details, and the account number will be shown. So this is how you can easily get Pioneer account number. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.